What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another Cryptocurrency Alliance Bitcoin Breakdown Series. I'm your host, Dave Rodriguez. As always, today we're going to break down Bitcoin, the king of all crypto. Now, first, I want to say thank you to everybody showing up to the video, taking 10, 15 minutes out of your day to watch our show. Really excited about all the free value that we are going to be able to give away in these videos. Now, in today's video, we're going to be explaining what I see from a chart trader's point of view. As always, these videos are made to help you guys on a daily basis invest inside the crypto markets, whether you're brand new to investing in crypto, you're waiting to take that first trade, or you guys are, maybe more experienced for, looking for some added confirmation, looking for some added confluence on the market analysis that you guys might already have, your current market analysis. Guys, at the end of the day, we all just want to learn the ins and outs in trading and make money as a result. Right here inside the Cryptocurrency Alliance, what we're trying to do, what we're actually doing, not trying to do, the community that we're building is just a bunch of like-minded people thinking, learning together, sharing their trades, sharing their ideas, and that's what it's all about right here inside the Cryptocurrency Alliance. That's why we're sharing these videos with you. Bottom line is crypto and trading in general is all about provided information, gathering it as much as you can, putting it together, making an educated decision. So what we're trying to do here at the Cryptocurrency Alliance is provide you with the tools and the resources to help you make those educated decisions for yourself. So with that said, guys, in today's videos, I want to go ahead and jump into the chart. I want to make sure everybody knows that at the end of the video, for everybody that stays, I got a couple of free gifts for you guys. So stay tuned to the end. I'll see you inside, and I'll see you on those charts.
Okay, guys, and here we go for today's Cryptocurrency Alliance Bitcoin breakdown. Let's get started with a little bit of news, guys. Something you guys should always keep your ears open for, keep your eyes open for. Like I always tell you guys in all the webinars and breakdowns that I do, you got to keep well informed because you can be the best at technical analysis and then news drops and it totally breaks your structure and breaks all the analysis that you currently could have had. Just keep your ear to the ground and, keep your eyes on the screen. So what we're going to start with today is just like all the hacks that go on. Every time there's a big hack, especially, if it's a big exchange, one that's trusted or, my Ether wallet or whatever it is, we seem to see a drop in the market. People get scared. FUD sets in, fear, uncertainty, doubt. Well, you guys have heard of that. Just in the last, 24 hours, if you look up, all I did was search crypto hack, right here. Crypto hack. Wow, the world's largest, latest hack sees Israel's Bancor lose $23.5 million. Same exchange, same basic article. Decentralized crypto exchange Bancor hacked, 12 million in Ether stolen. Popular crypto service My Ether Wallet hit by attack after Ola VPN gets hacked. Guys, stay on top of this information. With that said, let's get into a little bit of Bitcoin breakdown. Let's start in the monthly chart, guys, like we always do. Again, seeing the same thing we saw yesterday. Still flatlining right now. We haven't really made a move up, haven't really made a move down. Right now, we're just kind of consolidating. We are waiting for a breakout to one side or the other. Are we going to see that retest, or we're going to see it completely fail? Or are we just going to move sideways? So, what could possibly happen? I like to look at little things on every chart. I trade the charts a lot, so I always look at different ideas. And this is something I put together earlier today. I've been looking for the next possible level. And I look at all kinds of... Oh, my mouse is being a little weird. Hold on, guys. I look at all kinds of different things to help me make these decisions. So I always look at this other level, and reasons that it could get back down there. So we're looking at this level here. We'll call it 5,000. We'll call it 5,000. Okay. So look at the size of this candle here. What if we can get another candle this size right here? Okay. Where would that leave us? Where would that leave us? Let's just look at the body of the candle. Let's start there. The body candle is about $1,000. Okay, the body candle is about $1,000. So let's see what would happen is if we just left the wick and do $1,000 body. What is that about there? At the end of that wick. So that would land us here. at the end of this wick here, which is another area of support. Okay. Now, what if we did the whole candle body? You know, say we did it from the top here to the bottom here, roughly 1900. We go here, we do a whole candle body. Puts us right around that area of 5,000. So, just some things to look at, guys. Not saying that's going to happen, but again, I look at angle. I look at every angle. I look at every possibility. What are the next levels? What could get us there? What kind of candle do we need to see? This is, again, the monthly. Let's break it down to the weekly. A couple of different things people could see. Some would say this is a sort of a falling wedge or a bearish channel. If that's true, we've got a touch, a touch, a touch, a touch. Where's this next touch? Is it going to be down in here somewhere? Are we going to have another reason to hit 5,000? Are we going to have another reason to hit in here at the 5,700 range? This tweezer bottom right here on the weekly? What could happen? Some would see this, if we get rid of this, as I see this more of a wedge that was broken and, could be retested. We could see it, maybe bottom out, maybe come back, retest this area. Maybe it's going to bottom out here and retest this trend line for a third time. 1, 2, 3. Third time is one of the most important times for a trend line, especially a major trend line. Third and fourth time are so important. It's either break or bounce. Either it's going to break out of it or it's going to completely fail. And when I say fail, I mean something like this. Okay? Hit the trend line, big downtrend. Okay, these are weekly candles. So what if we came up, hit the trend line, and came down? But I see as being somewhat bearish. I see at least another tap here. We got 2 identical candles right now, so let's see how this all plays out. I like to look at these bigger charts just to give me some more insight. I mean, we're definitely bearish no matter which way we look at it right now. So that's where we're going to approach the charts. Then we'll break it down to a daily. So we got some areas, some supply and demand zones. You take these wicks and you just draw a supply and demand zone and see how many times it respects it over and over again. Another one here, a wick and a wick. Hits this area, hits this area. This is a big area of support. Can we get down to that 5,000 area of support in that region somewhere? We've already had the breakout. We've already had the downtrend. We've had a breakout to the upside. We could again, 1, 2, 3, touch this on the bottom side. There's so many different possibilities right now, guys, but we do know that we are in a bearish trend. We are slightly bullish. Now let's see what else appears. See what else we see. All right, we've had a nice little dip up, nice price action to the downside, definite bearish candle, huge bearish candle. Took out all these candles in here, all these candles trying to go back to the upside. One candle took them all out and broke the low. Played around in here, broke the low to the bottom again, little double bottom, ended up coming back and started a little uptrend that was evidently broken with this large bearish candle, which we've been seeing more and more of, guys. So if you look here, we do have a cross of the MAs. We've got the blue on the downside. We've got the red, which is the most powerful, on the upside. So we've had a cross to the downside, which means we could be seeing more downside. Normally what we would see is this candle come up and touch the MA. The MAs are like magnets, so I would not be surprised at all if this thing jumped up, touched this MA before failing. Guys. And then, there's another way to look at this. I mean, all kinds of people look at things all kinds of different ways. So, right now I see another bearish move, a break of the upwards trend line, another bearish move to the downside, a cross of a daily chart. Let's see what the 4-hour shows us. We have a cross, a day ago after the big bearish move. Right now we are in a consolidation phase. Right now we are in a consolidation phase right here, waiting to figure out whether she wants to go up or whether she wants to go down. And then there's another way to look at this. I mean, you could see this as somewhat of a head and shoulder. I mean, I guess I could show you guys this. I don't really use this ever, but let me see if I can get it right. I mean, that's almost as good as you can get. That's about as good as you can get there. So this is what's known as a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so what we'd be looking for is maybe some room here. This could get pulled down like this. So we'd have some room here to go down. Another little level, another little drop, which would bring us down to my take profit from the last trade. Okay, from the trade that I'm still in right now. So if this fell and ended up here, we would still be able to complete this head and shoulder pattern. We would just have to wait for the pattern to start working its way up, to start to become bullish, and break what's known as this area here, the neckline. This area would be known as a neckline. If we can go up, break this, come down, retest, and go back off, that would be a proper head and shoulder pattern, and that would play out like this. It would go up. We would we would retest, and we would head north. Okay? It would basically mimic the left side. So we would do this, but on this side. Come down, come up, come back down, and just shoot off to the moon and back. Okay, so a couple possibility, guys. Like I said, I always like to lay everything out. Could see a possible little retest. I do see more downside. I don't see Bitcoin holding up. But this could fall into another bullish reversal pattern, which is this head and shoulder pattern right here. So we could see some downside, maybe to around 6,000 again. Maybe she pops back up and works her way back up. But if we do break this head, if this shoulder comes down and breaks this head here, as soon as this area is broken by this, coming this way, then this is invalidated. So this head and shoulder pattern wouldn't be good at all if the shoulder came down and broke this possible head. But if we did see a stall out right in this area here, we did see a stall out right in the $6,000 area and a reverse, we could possibly see the beginning of a head and shoulder pattern. So guys, my analysis right now is more downside. I am going to see this thing to the next couple of levels. Remember my trade from yesterday. My take profit was right around 6,000, the same area we're talking about right here. That is what I just saw this today, guys. This pattern actually playing itself out today. I didn't know anything about this yesterday. So I am still bullish, or excuse me, bearish until I hit my take profit here. My stop loss is in this region right here. Excuse me, I've actually moved it a little bit more down than that. I'm in here somewhere, guys, to see what happens to this trade. I could see a little retest or just a break completely to the downside, but I'm bearish. Others are bullish. I don't see it happening. I could see a little bit more downside to this take profit area, maybe to this area to the left that you see here on this wick. So if it was to hit this area, I'd probably close this trade, depending on what the charts show me. So keep your eyes peeled, guys, and show up back here tomorrow. What's up, everybody? I am back. And yes, you read it right. The struggle is real. Struggle is real. So that's all I got for you today, guys. Please like the video. Please comment below. Let us know your insights. Did you like my analysis? Did you agree with the analysis? Did I miss anything? What are your predictions as to where the market will go next? We would love to see, or love to hear and read what you guys think about the markets, because as I mentioned earlier, the Alliance is about a community. The Alliance is about joining forces with as many traders as we possibly can. That is it. So before I go, there was something I mentioned earlier about a couple of free gifts. I have a couple things for you guys. They're free of charge. I got the Bitcoin cryptocurrency consumer guide. Okay? Below the video, you're going to see a link.
Guys, just click that. It's absolutely free of charge. It's a must read for anyone looking to make money investing in Bitcoin or in any of the altcoins. So grab your free copy, watch the free training series that comes along with it. So there's 2 free gifts there. All you have to do is click the link below in the description or simply go to bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT as in YouTube. That is bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT as in YouTube. I'm your crypto coach, Dave. Guys, that's all I have today. I will see you tomorrow on the next Bitcoin breakdown. Now get out of here.